YouTube, how's it going? I'm going to play a bit of Terra Cresta. A game that some of my pals play on arcade and kind of try and beat each other's high scores, and I was going to challenge them to a high score. Sort of challenge at this, but I don't think I will because I've played a couple of games of it and I'm crap. This is the specky version, obviously. And one of the problems I have is that you can't see the pissing bullets when they fire towards you. I don't know why the computer stopped there. I'm bashing the button furiously. It's not a bad wee shooter, especially on Specky. It's just it could do with... I don't know if you can kill the T-Rex there. It could do with a little bit of colour difference so I can see what I'm shooting. Oh. This is just chaos incarnate, Jesus. Oh, I'm going to get a repetitive strain injury on my thumb. Pressing the fire button, I'm dead here. Oh no. Oh God, I nearly breathed there. Come on, stop shooting at me! Oh Christ, on a bike. Oh, give my thumb a rest. Oh, I can't get... Ah, bugger, I was going to try and sneak through the bullets. Obviously the hitbox was a tiny bit too small. Let's do this. Come on, come on. Just like skip up the side here. Oh. Oh. Thought I could get away from it then. What a shame I could not. Christ, on a bike. Try to concentrate on 100 things at once here. Oh, how did I escape that? Jesus. Come on, here. Oh. Unable to speak. Concentrating. Oh, fuck. That was no bad, that, to be honest. There we go. I'm just gonna put because I can't be asked to put my name in. That wasn't bad. I'm gonna have another shot, I think. Oh, I have to press spacer every time I sit and listen to that music. Yeah, so I'm sat up in my bedroom because I'm doing an interview tonight with one of my friends on his YouTube channel, and I can't do it downstairs, like I said, because I took kids and that are downstairs, and wife and bloody noise. Bugger. So I'm not able to record down there, or stream down there, or whatever. So I'm up in my bedroom. So I was just testing up making sure it was all connected properly and stuff, and I thought I'd play bits of Terra Cresta. These kind of vertical shooters aren't my favourite kind of game. I do have a few that I love, like Slapfight on the Commodore 64, Gemini Wing. There's probably more that... Oh God, that was a tight squeeze. There's probably more that I can think of that I like. But I can't think just now. But it's the same with sort of side-scrolling shooters like R-Type and stuff. I'm just not very good at them. It's not that I don't like them, it's just that I'm crap at them, so I tend not to play them. Oh, come on, what was I meant to do there? Nothing, apparently. And the reason I'm playing the Spectrum again is because my Commodore 64 emulator isn't working. I don't know what's wrong with it. It won't load any tape files or disc files. So until I can get that working, we're playing specky stuff. And it is currently 20 to 5. I have just realised that I've got tea to put on for the family. So once I've went through these lives, I shall go and do that. Oh, come on. Ah! Ooh. Ooh. Oh, it seems to start when it gets this change of colour. Is that like actually on the game, or is that like the emulation? I don't know. I hope it's emulation, because I recorded this video already and I turned it off because it started to jitter at this bit. And I thought something's running in the background. It might just be the colour change though. The Specky's like, we have to change colours, Captain! We can't have 3 colours on the screen at the same time! No! That's the problem, you can get trapped in the corner by bullets. Ah! Or enemies, it seems. Bugger! Bugger me! Pew! 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 Yeah, I love Slapfoot and the Commie. The music on that's awesome. Project X on the Amiga, I love that game, but it's really hard as it is and I'm rubbish at them, so I tend not to get very far. What was that one on the Mega CD that was a size? Wasn't it Soul Fierce? What was that game called? My pal had a Mega CD when I was younger, and there was one side scroll that was quite good. It was like a spaceship shootery R-type affair. I remember that being quite good. Soul Fierce? There's definitely Soul something. SOL. Second word. Do 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 do. Aw, boo! Boo! Like I said about the last game I played, this is one of those games, like Donkey Kong, this is one of those games where back in the day it's really hard, but I would have loved spending time on it to get better and better. Oh, shot from behind like a cheeky bastard. Right, this video is 8 minutes long, that's far too long, so I'm going to go make the family's tea, so I'll speak to you later. Where's the button to stop it? Eesh.